On September 2023, a man was flying a drone in birthday event on the top floor of the building in Delhi. In a fraction of seconds, the police team arrived. The drone operator was been arrested on the spot and booked under the section 188 of Indian Penal Code, and also the drone was being seized. But what exactly happened? Let's understand. The same day, Delhi was hosting one of its most high-profile events, the G20 summit. The world's powerful leaders were arriving at the heart of the city, and the security was at its highest level. To ensure the safety, the central Delhi was declared a red zone. That means a strict no to the unauthorized aerial activities. But still, a drone was spotted hovering near the event. The sighting triggered immediate alarm among the security force. They had a number of questions running in the mind, like, was the drone being used for spying? Or is it carrying any explosive goods? The risk was too high to ignore. Soon the authorities deployed an anti-drone jammer to disable the drone midair. Within seconds, the pilot location was being tracked, and he was arrested for violating the airspace law. The Indian drone operations have been regulated by DGCA under the Drone Rule 2021. The airspace in India is divided into three categories of drone flying zones. They are red, yellow, and green zones. The red zone is the most restricted category of airspace in India. It includes the areas where the drone operations are strictly prohibited unless you have a special permission from the central government. Unauthorized drone flight in these areas can lead to heavy fine, imprisonment, and confiscation of the drone too. The red zone includes the area near the international borders, military installations, nuclear power plants, and other strategic locations. During the high-profile events like G20 Summit, Republic Day, etc., certain areas may be temporarily declared as a red zone to ensure the security. In some of the movies, they capture the real airport, the real military base. But the question is, how can you fly the drone in the red zone? Let me know in the comments below. Yellow zones. Yellow zone is a controlled airspace where the drone operation requires a prior approval from the authorities. The approval process makes sure that the drone must not interfere with the manned aircraft and also any other sensitive operations. The altitude limit in the yellow zone is 400 feet, but additional restrictions may apply based on the location. The drone must maintain an horizontal distance of at least 5 kilometers from the airport. Green zone. It is the least restricted category of airspace in India. It includes the areas where the drone can be flown without the prior permission. The drone in the green zone must not fly above 400 feet from the ground level. So, this zone is perfect for the hobby sites, farmers, and the small businesses that use a drone for the non-critical purposes like photography, survey, or the crop monitoring. The man in the story wasn't a criminal. He was simply unaware of the law. But ignorance doesn't excuse the violence, right? Similar incidents have occurred before, leading to the arrest, fine, and even the confiscation of the drone. So if you are a drone operator in India, remember these key points. Always check your flying zone before you take off using the Digital Sky platform. Understand the legal drone zones. Never assume a location is safe. And the last one, breaking the drone laws can lead you serious legal actions, including the arrest and heavy fines. Drones are the powerful tools, but they come up with responsibilities. Next time you fly, make sure you are in the right zone, because one mistake could cost you more than you expect. If you found this video helpful, then I would recommend you to watch this video.